Embark on a thrilling journey into the boundless realms of innovation and income potential as we uncover 7 compelling ways to make money with AI and ChatGPT in the dynamic landscape of 2024. Unleash your creativity with AI-generated content. In an era where content reigns supreme, harness the power of AI to generate not just any content, but engaging and relevant masterpieces. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or content creator, ChatGPT is your creative companion. Imagine effortlessly composing articles, scripts, and social media posts with a touch of artificial intelligence. AI-powered social media management. Take your social media game to the next level by employing AI for smarter and more efficient social media management. ChatGPT becomes your virtual social media assistant, analyzing trends, creating engaging captions, and even responding to comments. By automating these tasks, you'll not only boost your online presence, but also free up valuable time for strategy and content creation. The result? A more engaged audience, and with it, opportunities for monetization through sponsorships, partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Develop AI-powered apps and solutions. If coding is your forte, dive into the world of AI development. Create applications and solutions that leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. Imagine chatbots that enhance customer interactions, innovative problem-solving apps, or personalized productivity tools. The market for AI-powered solutions is burgeoning, and your creations could be at the forefront. Monetize your innovations by offering them on app stores or providing customized solutions to businesses seeking seamless AI integration. Online tutoring with AI assistance. Step into the realm of online education with a revolutionary twist: AI-powered tutoring. Use ChatGPT as your virtual teaching assistant, aiding students in understanding complex concepts, providing real-time explanations, and generating practice problems. Position yourself as an expert tutor who employs cutting-edge technology to enhance the learning experience. Whether you're teaching math, science, or language arts, the addition of AI assistants can make your tutoring sessions stand out, attracting more students and creating new revenue streams. AI-powered copywriting services businesses are constantly on the lookout for compelling and persuasive copy. Position yourself as the go-to expert by offering AI-powered copywriting services. Utilize ChatGPT to craft marketing materials, product descriptions, and website content that captivates the audience. Provide clients with high-quality, customized content that resonates with their target market. As businesses increasingly recognize the value of persuasive copy in the digital age, your services will be in high demand, creating a pathway to a steady stream of income. Create AI-enhanced courses and workshops. Combine your expertise with the power of AI to develop courses and workshops that stand out in the crowded online education space. Use ChatGPT to generate supplementary materials, quizzes, and interactive content that enhances the learning experience. Offer these courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare and market them to a global audience hungry for innovative learning experiences. Monetize your knowledge while providing valuable AI-enhanced educational resources, establishing yourself as a thought leader in your field. AI-generated ebooks and digital products. Explore the world of self-publishing with AI-generated ebooks and digital products. Use ChatGPT to create compelling fiction, nonfiction, or educational content that resonates with your target audience. Whether you're an aspiring author or an expert in a particular field, AI can help you produce high-quality written material efficiently. Sell your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle or through your own website, and watch your passive income grow as your creations find their way into the hands of readers worldwide. In a world where AI is transforming industries, these 7 detailed and actionable strategies present exciting opportunities for individuals with diverse skills and interests. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends and opportunities in the ever-evolving landscape of AI and technology.